the weekly program of Rotary International District 3291. Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world, is about to start.
8 billion people in the world. 1.2 million Rotarians for them. 100 years of service to mankind. Welcome to the new century.
There comes a time when you need to spare a thought, when you need to care, when you need to feel the pain and need to breathe a prayer. There comes a time when you need to open gates, when you need to take a step, when you need to say the words and you need to vow to share. There comes a time when you need to build a bridge, when you need to face a storm, when you need to forge ahead and need to stand strong against the echoes of the rain. You hear the cries of a brother in pain. You know it's time to hold a hand, let him know there's a friend. Rotary is your friend.
Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world. Rotary events, Rotary happenings, Rotary icons at their best. Brought to you by the Rotary District 3291. Rotary Newsline, your window to the Rotary world.
Rotary Newsline, Rotary Newsline.
The closing ceremony of the second day of the district conference, Anandu Mela, was held on the 7th of January 2012. Nozrul Moncho was converted into a unique musical experience of the Rotarians and others present. The famous maestro, composer Pandit Tanumoy Bose, had presented a few ecstatic moments in the form of fusion of Indian classical music with traditional folk tunes of Bengal. By using both Western and local percussion instruments, his group presented many songs. One was the traditional Gwalpara speciality, Shohag Chand, sung by rural singers of Gwalpara themselves.
ভাগবত বড় বাছা পণ্ডিতে বড় সংসারে বুঝাইতে পারো রে বাচ্চা মায়ের কেন ছাড়ো রে সোনার চাঁদ চাঁদ রে চাঁদ হারাইলাম নদীতে.
Another praiseworthy attempt of revival of gradually disappearing Bangla Qawwali of Murshidabad area, that too sung by genuine rural singers, easily lifted the audience to another world of folk tunes which came out from the very heart of rural Bengal, from the dampened earth end the soft, sweet greeneries of the land.
Khaja Baba, marahaba, marahaba, Khaja Baba, marahaba, marahaba, গেয়েছিলেন নবীর গুণগান। মারহাবা, মারহাবা, গেয়েছিলেন নবীর গুণগান। Khaja Baba, marahaba, marahaba, গেয়েছিলেন নবীর গুণগান। Khaja Baba, marhaba marhaba গেয়েছিলেন নবীর গুণগান। Khaja Baba marhaba marhaba গেয়েছিলেন নবীর গুণগান।
The next part of the program was about the musical legend Sholil Choudhury. Shotinath Mukhopadhyay had very aptly explained the virtuosity of the master who had brought a new era in the history of Indian music. Some of his popular creations were produced by Mrs. Shobita Choudhury, Antara Choudhury and their troupe.
कुछ तो निशानी छोड़ जा कौन कहे सुरूर तू फिर आए ना आए।
मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए, मौसम बीता जाए। तेरी राह में कलियों ने नैना बिछाए, डाली डाली कोयल काली तेरे गीत गाए, तेरे गीत गाए। अपनी कहानी छोड़ जा, कुछ तो निशानी छोड़ जा, कौन कहे सूर तू फिर आए ना आए। एबा আমি আমার থেকে আমাকে হাত দিয়ে অনেক কিছু জীবনে যোগ দিলাম। ছোট যত আপন ছিল বাহির করে দিয়ে, ভুবনটারে আপন করে নিলাম। এবার আমি আমার থেকে আমাকে বাদ দিয়ে অনেক কিছু জীবনে যোগ দিলাম। रजनीगंधा फूल तुम्हारे महके यूं ही जीवन में, हाँ यूं ही महके प्रीत पिया की मेरे अनुरागी मन में। रजनीगंधा फूल तुम्हारे महके यूं ही जीवन में, हाँ यूं ही महके प्रीत पिया की मेरे अनुरागी मन में। दीवाने दिखाऊं तुझे कैसे मैं ये दिल की लगन,
ओ जाने मन तेरे दो नयन चोर चोर लेके गए देखो मेरा मन। जाने मन जाने मन
मेरे दो नयन चोर नहीं सजन, तुमसे ही खोया होगा गए तुम्हारा मन। जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
जिंदगी कैसी है पहली हाँ कभी तो हंसाए कभी ये रुलाए हंसी हमें डर है हमको ना जाए कहीं सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी हमें डर है हमको ना जाए कहीं सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी ये कौन हंसता है फूल
रे होलू आदार फूल रे रे शारदोरी हाल काजे झुमको लता रूप कुमारी में मान করেছে বাঁধবে না চুল সে বাঁধবে না রে হলুদ আদার ফুল রে রে
দোলায় কখন কাঁদায় আর কখন ভোলায় ও এই দুরন্ত নাগর দোলায় কখন কাঁদায় আর কখন ভোলায় কখন সাদা আর কখন কালো কখন মন্দ যে কখন ভালো কখন সাদা আর কখন কালো কখন মন্দ যে কখন ভালো জীবন জুয়ায় বীর জিতে গেলে ওকার হত্য যদি হেরে গেলে জীবন জুয়ায় বীর জিতে গেলে ওকার হত্য যদি হেরে গেলে কপাল মন্দ আর কালচে চিংফাক এই দুনিয়া গড়ে বন 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 ছন্দে ছন্দে কত রং বদলায় দুরন্ত ঘূর্ণি এই লেগেছে পাক এই দুনিয়া গড়ে বন 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 ছন্দে ছন্দে কত রং বদলায় 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 এই মাদুরি প্রাণগুলি আর আনন্দ উচ্ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোজনা এই মাদুরি প্রাণগুলি আর আনন্দ উচ্ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোজনা আই ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির
গুরগারে চাঁদের সীমানায় বাদল বনে ডাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গেরা সব হাতে কোমর বেঁধে আয় বাদল বনে ডাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গেরা সব হাতে কোমর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় রে আয় রে আয় রে Rotary News Live.
চলে যায় রয়ে যায় কিছু স্মৃতি কিছু না মন চায় ফিরে যেতে সেই ঠিকানা পুরানো আঙিনা সেই ঠিকানা পুরানো
আপনার পরিবার আপনার পরিচয়।
Rotary News Live.
The Rotary Club of Calcutta, New Alipur had on 5th of February 2012 inaugurated a drinking water project for the children of Kauratala Nishchindipur Girls High School, which was highly acclaimed by the local people. There also was a fancy dress competition organized by the club. Tiffin boxes were presented to the school children.
Rotary News Live.
Rotary Club Calcutta Barrackpur as lead club with other 13 clubs under RD 3291 organized a kit distribution program to 672 numbers of children under the age group of 6 to 12 years on Sunday, the 22nd January 2012 at Patulia Girls High School Playground. The entire project was sponsored by Rotary Club Dum Dum with assistance of SCAW Canada. Rotary Club Barrackpur dedicated the program on the eve of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, and the club secretary described before the parents and children, Rotarian and other dignitaries about SCAW Canada and the essence of Swamiji's vision, which had been adopted by the Rotary's motto, service above self, and also, who served best, he profited most. 672 children with their parents, Rotarians, Annis, volunteers of RCC Patulia tirelessly worked the entire day for distribution of kits to the street children in the area, consisting of 23 items costing around rupees 3,000 each. Rotary Club of Calcutta Barrackpur organized a cycle rally on the 30th January in which 23 cyclists of Rotary Club Calcutta Patulia started their journey from Shukanto Sodon Barrackpur railway station at 7:30 a.m., which was flagged off by Assistant Police Commissioner Mr. Amit Kumar Singh, IPS. The cyclists had covered a portion of 24 Parganas North, Hooghly, Burdwan and Birbhum to make the masses aware about pulse polio and thalassemia by distributing 40,000 leaflets written in Bengali, Hindi and Urdu. In the journey to Bolpur Shantiniketan, the cyclists halted at 108 Shiv Mandir, Burdwan, at night and reached Bolpur on 31st January 2012 at 8 p.m. This was organized by Rotary Club Burdwan, RID 3240 on 30th January 2012. The team, wearing Rotary jackets, end polio cap and festoon, covered the journey and the entire town of Bolpur and distributed leaflets. The Rotary Club Bolpur Shantiniketan, RID 3240, welcomed and felicitated the cyclists on 31st January 2012.
Every week, the Rotary Newsline team would present a quiz where 4 visuals will be shown on the screen. You just have to identify the visuals and SMS the answers to Rotary Newsline number 923914136A. The first SMS with all correct answers will be entitled to a Rotary Newsline Quiz Award at a special awards night. SMS the answers with your name details. Now let us watch today's Rotary Newsline quiz visuals. Visual 1. Visual 2. Visual 3. Visual 4.
Rotary News Line.
And activities of district and various other clubs.
Rotary News Line.
ICM on literacy at Rotary Shodon on 31st March 2012. President Secretary AG ZS District Secretariat meet at Rotary Shodon. On 15th April, Adda Noboborsho Boitok at Town Hall. DTTS 8th April 2012 post lunch at Kolkata. SATS and TETS 22nd April 2012 at Kolkata. The Rotary International Convention 2012 will be held at Bangkok from 6th to 9th May 2012. The registration form may be downloaded from the website www.rotary.org. Repeat, www.rotary.org. Filled up and sent to RI South Asia Office, New Delhi. For news and updates, please visit our district website www.rotary3291.org. You may also visit our Facebook page from our district website. All our archive videos of Rotary Newsline can be accessed from our district homepage through YouTube.
To showcase your club's projects or events, kindly intimate our Rotary Newsline Chairman, Rotarian Deep Kumar Mitra of Rotary Club of Calcutta, Chanak City at 92391 41368 to send the Rotary Newsline camera team, or send your DVDs and stills in soft copy form with detailed report to the District Governor's Office or to Rotarian Deep Kumar Mitra at mdevkumar@yahoo.com.
There comes a time when you need to spare a thought, when you need to care, when you need to feel the pain and need to breathe a prayer. There comes a time when you need to open gates, when you need to take a step, when you need to say the words and you need to vow to share.